Yeah. Thank you, Dr. Om. And over to Dr. Sonu.
So, thank you all presenters. I think so we can have the release of our two important thing, which is which we are waiting. We were waiting for our chief guest to come, but I think he had some important meeting which is going on parallelly, so he could not come. So what I request Dr. Rakesh Gupta and all other Dr. Rakesh Gupta to release our newsletter, followed by Dr. Om, who will release our website, the resource center for cardiovascular health. So first, Dr. Rakesh Gupta to release our newsletter. So you can say release, Dr.
Yeah,
Rakesh.
release.
Yes, so I think thank you, Dr. Rakesh. So it is a newsletter, bi-monthly newsletter, e-newsletter, which is a regular edition. This is the second edition. Our newsletter name is Cardio Health, and the theme of this newsletter is eliminating artificial trans fat from oil food in the state of Punjab. We can see on the left hand side of first page that what are various trans fats, and on the right hand side we have messages from our Commissioner Food and Drug Administration. So next page. On the second page, we can see again the global scenario and the gist of Indian scenario. And again, we have experts on the right hand side in terms of Director Health Services Punjab, who has committed to reduce the trans fat, and Dr. Om Prakash Behra, who is working on this trans fat for quite some time. Next. So these are some of the actions taken by Food and Drug Commissioner Punjab in the area of trans fat elimination. On the right hand side, we can see our Honorable Health Minister of Punjab, who spoke on our World Hypertension Day 2020 when he was chief guest of our function, and he spoke about reducing the trans fat at state, at the district level. And you can see some of the news clippings here. Next, please. On the fourth page, we have various project updates. We had some state level multi-stakeholder consultation workshop on elimination of fat. We had some district level programs, state level programs, some programs for media, and various speakers, not only from academia, but also implementers and various our partners who were part of this particular seminars and webinars. So again, these are some of the other activities which were done in the state of Punjab in terms of cyclothon, in terms of various closed consultations. Next. So these are some of the other activities in 22 districts. You can see some of the districts where our presence were, and these are glimpses of district sensitization workshop. And this is what Ms. Upinder Preet Kaul Gill talked about, some of the workshop which was initiated by her, and we are supporting those workshops. So these are our press media coverage. I think there were many of them. These are some of them which we have taken. Some 40% adults in Punjab are at risk of heart diseases due to trans fat. So a lot of other things were done. Cycle rally was done, and various other activities. And this is our last page of 8th page, where we have message from our MD, Mission Director, National Health Mission Punjab. And he talked about sustainability and future plan of action, what we are going to do. And you can see on the bottom of the page some of our links of our Facebook, on our LinkedIn page, and the YouTube page, and the website of Resource Center, which is going to be released after this. So this is our newsletter. So please feel free to read this newsletter. This will be placed on our Resource Center for Cardiovascular Health. So please go there and see this newsletter. It is very informative, not only for academy, not only for program implementers, but also for NGO partners and academia. So next. So now I request Dr. Om Prakash Behra to release our resource center for cardiovascular health. So Dr. Om Prakash Behra can say release, and then we can have a glimpse of that resource center.
Release.
So can we have that glimpse of the resource center, Arshdeep? So I think we have So we can just click this page because this is our, yeah. So you can see, so this is our resource center in which we can see home, about us, resources, events, in news, support us, join us. So our vision is there. Our vision is envisioning enabling environment for hypertension and on. So we have messages. Our mission is there. The messages related to hypertension by Tedros, our Director General of WHO. The message is by Balram Bhargava, who is Secretary DHR, and Hank Beckedham, WHO representative to India. You can see bottom, you can go. So these are some of the COVID and hypertension updates, some of the activities which was done by us. So this is our resource center. So yes, our blogs, you can see our blogs on our website. So we are managing the regular blogs like stress to reduce hypertension, how telemedicine can be harnessed in post-COVID era, avoid trans fat to stay healthy, hypertension in pregnancy, men are less likely to have BP under control, cardio health. So these are some of the news articles. If you just click to them, so you may find news articles and some of the project activities. Go down. So these are glimpses of our various project activities which were there. So you can see the scroll. So other activities, and then we have social media. So these are our Twitters. You can tweet here and all these tweets are visible here. You can be on Instagram and this is live Facebook. So all these things are going on live. So if you just click, this is live YouTube, which you are, so on YouTube, you can find all those comments which you have, and you will find shortly the short glimpses of this session. And as Dr. Rakesh has pointed out, the entire recording of this particular webinar will be shared on the YouTube. So these are testimonials of our health ministers, our FDA Commissioner Punjab, MD, NHM on our activities which this project has done in collaboration with PGI, Chandigarh, and Strategic Institute of Public Health Education and Research, and which was and this project is sponsored and technically and financially supported by Global Health Advocacy Incubator. And these are our useful links. You can go directly to these links like PGI link, the Cypher link, the Union, WHO, Global Health Advocacy Incubator, Resource Center of Tobacco Control. So you can go to this link. So today we have released this website. So please feel free to explore this website further. We have many other things on this resources. If you see, just click on resources. So just click on resources. You will find like facts and figures, publications, blogs, patient stories, hypertension diagnosis and management protocols. And for normal lay public, you will find the frequently asked questions. And under news items, we will not go into the details. Electronic news items, digital news items, print news items, and the photo gallery is there. And we have the event section in which we had some past event and the upcoming events which will be there in subsequent point of time. And we have about us, our mandate, and our team members. So you can just click on the team members. And I want to thank our team who has really supported in this webinar. So Dr. Nidhi Jaswal, who is a technical coordinator, who is overall responsible for micro planning of this particular project. Just go down. Dr. Radhika Rana, who is project officer looking after the State Health and Wellness Center, and she is posted with the state of Punjab. Mr. Arshdeep Singh, who is the nodal officer for trans fat elimination and is the key person for organizing this particular webinar and making this newsletter. We have Saurabh Sharma, who is RCCM consultant, resource center consultant, and the website which you are, resource center which you are monitoring. So is he has designed that resource center, very nicely, meticulously designed by him, and all the media platform which you are seeing, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. So he's the prime person who is responsible for designing all those things and doing all those activities related to the resource center. We have Surbhi Sharma, who is the media coordinator, and the news item which was there, the blogs, the media platforms, sharing media stories, writing patient case studies. So she's primarily responsible for those activities. And Miss Gurleen Malhotra, he's basically, she's working as a financial and administrative consultant. But beside financial and administrative work, she is also working for writing blogs and patient media stories. So I think this was our team, and I will not forget mentioning Gunjit. He is working as an intern. He is in corporate law. He's a corporate lawyer, and he is currently working as an intern in Strategic Institute of Public Health Education and Research, and working on various issues related to writing blogs, writing patient media stories, and improvising this resource center in collaboration with Arshdeep and Saurav. So Gunjit is a part of our team, and I would like to thank at the end our resource persons, Dr. Poonam Khanna, who has been instrumental in making this newsletter a very thoughtful newsletter, and incorporating her suggestions time to time, and looking after the research part of this research and implementation part of this project. I would also like to thank Dr. Om Prakash Behra, who has been our technical as well as providing financial support to this project, for making this project a big success in the state of Punjab. Want to thank Dr. Rakesh Gupta, who is our partner organization, Strategic Institute of Public Health Education and Research, for being partnering with PGI and taking the project to newer heights. And I would like to thank Upender in her absence. She has to leave because of her some commitments. So she has been working in collaboration with us. And all the partners who have been working behind, I want to thank our FDA commissioner, who could not come, but he has been quite supportive in reducing trans fat and whatever activities which we do from PGI. So he has been very supportive. And all the stakeholders, especially MD NHM, Shri Kumar Rahul, who has also been supportive, Ms. Arit Kaur, who has been supportive in Health and Wellness Center, and our state NCD program officer, who has been supportive for this. And I want to thank all the participants who have joined. I think we were late by half an hour by this. There were a lot of suggestions, comments, so we could not avoid taking your questions and listening to all of you. So it was really wonderful presence, all of the participants, and we look forward to having you again in our future webinars. Again, I am saying you just follow our Twitter page, our Facebook page, our LinkedIn, to have our YouTube, subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you find more updates on it. So thank you again, and I hope that you have submitted your post-test form. This is the only form which we have done before and after. So those who have filled this form will get the certificates in a couple of days. So thank you one and all for being with us. So thank you.